Okay, hello boys and girls. Thank you for being in the small group today. Today's video is titled Multiplying and Dividing Decimals Using Models by yours truly. So here we go. Today's objectives/standards are a bit lengthy, but if you notice, for this video we're focusing on multiplying and dividing decimals to the hundredths using concrete models. So this is all we're focusing on right now for this first video. Alrighty, and of course remember that after any strategy that you learn, it's expected that you're able to write it out and explain how you got to the answer. Okay? Alrighty, well, let's have a quick review and let's look at the world of decimals. Remember, the decimal marks the great divide, as I like to call it. So it divides whole numbers, so your $1, $5, $10, $100 bills from your 10 cents, 25 cents, and 5 pennies, and this is even less than a penny, correct? So we have that. For example, we can write in $235.03 or 3/100ths, okay? So you see that this is the 3 pennies, and if we write 235 and, do not forget that you say and for the decimal, 38 thousands. So as a matter of fact, while I have you here, let's go over place value. So let's start with the decimals, since we have been working on them for a while. What place value is this? Say this out loud right now, please. Correct. This is your tenths place. How about this one? Say the answer out loud now, please. Excellent. Hundredths. Don't forget that TH. And now what place value is this? Please say this out loud now. Awesome. Thousandths. Excellent. Alrighty. So now let's go back to our whole numbers. And as a matter of fact, remember why this is called the tenths? Because if I multiply 10 to this, then I get this place value. And what is this place value? Please say it now. Yes. These are your ones. And if you multiply 10 to the ones, then you get your hundreds. So no TH, right? And if you keep going, 10 times 100 is, you got it, thousands. No TH as well. And if you keep going, we have 10,000s, 100,000s, etc. Okay? Beautiful. So we understand our decimal place value. Alrighty. Now, in front of you, you have a paper that looks just like this. Multiplying decimals with models. So, for the first one, I want you to please just pay attention, look. You don't need anything. Just, I want you to watch, and of course, feel free to pause the video at any time. So, to begin with, I want to show you whole number times a decimal. So, if I take 2 times 3/10, okay? Right now, can someone please tell me what is another word, or what is a strategy for multiplication, just in case you were to forget? Remember that multiplication is, you got it, repeated addition. So in this case, we're multiplying 2 times 3, or we can do 3/10 plus 3/10, the 2 times. Alrighty? So here we go. For whole number times a decimal, you're going to color in 3/10. Remember, these are your 10 rods. So just hang in there with me. You have 3/10 colored in, right? However, how many times are you going to color in 3/10? What was that? You're right, 2 times. So just simply use a different color so you could see the different times that you colored in 3/10. All right, So now our lives just got so much easier because we can just count 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, and you got it, 6/10. So 2 times 3/10 equals 6/10. You got it. Now, let's do one more and you do the third one. So that's how we're going to do it. I'll do 2 and you do 3. Let's try 4 times 5/100ths. Repeat this, please. 4 times 5/100ths. And remember, multiplication is repeated addition. Please repeat, repeated addition. You got it. So, how many times are we going to add 5/100ths? Beautiful. 4 times. So you would write 5/100ths plus 5/100ths plus 5/100ths plus 5/100ths. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Oh, and remember, yeah, you can put a 0 at the beginning. That's fine, but it really wouldn't make a difference as long as you have the decimal. Alrighty, here we go. So you need 4 different color or 2 colors to show the alternations between 5/100ths. Am I going to color in 5 10 rods? No, you got it, because they're not 10 rods, they're hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one last time because I need a total of 4 times, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. All right, so here we go. 4 times 5/100ths equals 1, 2, 2 what? 2/10 is correct. You got it. All right, now it is your turn. So, while you write this down, please feel free to pause the video and then check your answer. We have, what if I asked for 3 times 12/100ths. All right, pause the video at this point and please solve. And remember to write down here, multiplication is repeated addition. What are you going to repeat how many times? All right, pause the video and go. Okay, let's check if you got the answer. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So, what are we going to add how many times? You got it. 12/100ths plus 12/100ths plus 12/100ths. Correct. A total of 3 times. So let's do this. 110 rod, right? There's your 110 rod. And 2/100ths. So that's my first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here's my second. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, moment of truth. Let us count. 1 10 rod, 2 10th rod, 3 tenths, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 12/100ths equals, you got it, 36/100ths. 3 tenths and 6/100ths. Excellent.